Nganzakwethu it is Durban Network. Right now, ngino Sibusiso Hadebe, who's a provincial cricketer. Sibe wayini la namhlanje?
Namhlanje sila again ngesimo sokuhluleka kokubusa kwalombuso wamanje. Sila ngalento esibiza thina njengezuma clause. We kunomuntu ofana nobaba uZuma owaboshwa engazange aye enkantolo. Ukuqala lokho kwabadina abantu bakwaZulu Natal basukuma abantu uyayikhumbula into eyenzeka ngomhla ka 7 kuJuly 2021 kwakuyisimo lesasikhombisa ukuthukuthela kwabantu. Manje ke iqhubu laphuma ngengane yakhe ipain yomuntu omdala nobaba wakhe meboshwa uzoyizwa kakhulu wena uma ubaba wakho kunomunye umuntu. So lokho ke ukududuzile uzele la ukuthi wadinelwane ubaba wakhe eboshwa ngendlela engafanele. So sesijwayeleke la kule South Africa ukuthi kube khona ama clause abantu abathize. uJacob Zuma kwakungokona okokuqala ukuthi aboshwe akuphase ama trials ezinto ayengekho kuzona on the spot. Thatha nje njengecala le arms deal. Wayo MEC we economic develop la eprovincini. Lento ya discusswa abantu ababa wo minister ngesikhathi eGoli nase Cape Town. Kodwa ngokuthi nje uwakazuma usethola sefaka phakathi kuyona. Namanje isahamba icala eselihlale for 24 years. Akulokhu so silanje ngesimo sokuthi nje kunenzondo ebhekiswe kubantu abamnyama abakwazi ukumela iqiniso. Nalo mntwana kaZuma ongududuzile naye useyithola ekuleyo nkinga. Mangase ubheke nje ubala abantu bakwaZuma nabalo wamndeni ababekhona ngalesikhathi kuluthwa kuthathwa zonke izinto mhlambe akhona oyedwa wayekhona. Kodwa ngokuthi nje wakhombisa ukuthi akayithandi lento eyenziwa kuyise sesisecaleni namhlanje. So yilento esiletha la.
Ngokusho kwakho kuzwakala engathi uyibuka ukuthi this is just a mere plot against the MK to turn the image of the MK party.
Firstly it's a ploy against the Zuma family. Remember lento yenzeke before uJacob Zuma akhande iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe. So kusho ukuthi iyayivela isikhona lento ngaphambi ukuthi liqanjwe umkhonto wesizwe. So njengomkhonto wesizwe nje abantu abamele into engakufuni efuna ubulungiswa. Ingakho siyisupporta ke labantu ababhekene nalesimo including uDuduzile. Akuyena kuphela kukhona noKhanyile nabanye abaningi abaseGoli abathajelwe nje ukuthi baveza ilaka labo ngokungajabuli ngokwakwenzeka kuJacob Zuma.
Ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ijudicial or justice system yase South Africa is sometimes used for personal gains?
It's not for the first time. Even during apartheid, the judges were used by the then system. The unfortunate part, kwaba khona ukuthi noma singena kuCodesa, ama roots a system which is discriminatory in nature were not uprooted. So that's why the remnants of this that system is still very alive in the post-apartheid system. So the judiciary through system yayo iyakwazi uku-identify umuntu im-isolate im-charge ngezinto ezinga-exist kwi-Criminal Procedure Act. Isimo sikaZuma ukuthi azaboshwa aye escourt, it does not exist in any portion of the Criminal Procedure Act. It is a discretion of an individual then to launch and mount a heavy security to go and arrest a person who has never given a chance to go and appear in court. That is the issue that brings us here.
Do you have full confidence over Advocate Dalimpo futhi uzonwinela lecala?
Besides that, we have confidence. The natural justice, it just needs any judge that sits in front of that should be honorable enough to decide on this matter and to decide in favor of the masses of this country. Because I think the lessons might have been learned during 2021. If a judge makes a decision that offends the majority of the people, the consequences are dire. So we find ourselves in a looting and everybody uncontrolled because one person made a wrong decision. So even this judge must be able to visit those inferences to ensure that we don't find ourselves in the same situation because people are watching. Let alone that now we are even under a discredited government which has concocted itself to be in power when actually the people of this province did not vote for them. It doesn't augur well with them. So they must try to wake up, and this is a wake-up call.
It's in the future kaMnumzane Hlophe ku-MK Party.
Deputy President Hlophe is still a member of Umkhonto weSizwe. Ukuthi umisiwe okwesikhashana kubhekwa izinto ezithize, that is a natural thing that is happening in any country, in any organization. Even in all these, even this right-wing organization, it does happen. And remember, he is a man of he's a jurist, so he understands that. And then remember, Umkhonto weSizwe is not a punitive party, a party which is driven by Ubuntu. The circumstances under which he finds himself will be literally, after considering certain things, be ventilated at the right position and an appropriate decision. And we need the expertise of a person in the form of Deputy President Hlophe.
Abantu baphumile ngobuningi bezosupporta namhlanje. Ungafisa ukuthini kubona?
Abantu baseThekwini ngithi umkhonto ufikile. Njoba size la nje eThekwini sihambe sibuka ukungcola kweThekwini. Sihambe sibuka abantu abaningi abahleli emakhoneni abangasebenzi. Sithi kubona sine opportunity eyodwa and one opportunity. Next year is the local government election. Kade ngicomplain ngalama council akhona whether we DA noma awe inhlangano ezinye we ANC awani akhona, abantu sebekhathele isimo itheku eliphansi kwazo. So umkhonto weSizwe ukhona kuba isolution. So sincenga abantu laba balabambe bancenga nabanye ukuthi next year umkhonto weSizwe must sweep clean. We don't want anybody to accompany us to run itheku. We'll run itheku on our own through the mandate esoyinikwa abantu.
Last question Nobhala, kuney'nhlangano ey'njenga ama-civil organization anjenga No March and March nabanye siyayazi cause abayilwayo njengamanje yabantu bokufika. Sithini stand senu?
Okoqala nje i-character yomkhonto ukuthi singama-Afrika kuqala. Ama-Africa are located in South Africa. But there are a lot of other Africans that are located anywhere else in Africa. We are pan-African by nature. However, there are rules and regulations that regulates all these countries. So because of the weak system that happened in this country, from the time of the 1994 up to now, we have had an influx of people coming from all other places because they are displaced by the processes that are waged by the Western countries to destabilize Africa. And in that way, people run to South Africa as the only place where they can find refuge. However, that should be a temporal measure, not a permanent measure that will make people
I-refuge ayisho ukuthi umuntu kumele mhlawumbe abalekele ezweni aseduze kwalo. Ngikusho lokho ngoba sinabantu base-Ethiopia nabase-Somalia abala as refugees kodwa kunamazwe aseduze kwabo. Kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi babaleke baze bafike la?
Umubona lawo ma-country obhekone omakhelwane balawo ma-country nawo are in turmoil because of invasion of countries like France and USA, Israel and everything. That's why people run up to here, because we are a very vocal nation that is able to identify it. So it's not easy, but through the system of GNU, we are hearing whispering that today in Cape Town they want to invite Israelis who will be again refugees in this country. And we want to say MK will work towards a system of stabilizing our our neighborhood and be able to have our comrades going back to their fellow countries. So we need to stabilize our neighbors so that people can go back to a free and a stable country. So we'll do that.
Should illegal immigrants be chased away or they should be left here?
It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. There are people who are here because of certain reasons who qualify in terms of
Illegal.
No, okay, if it's illegal, then those people need to be attended in a manner that we find their way to go back home. But we need to also look and influence their countries to stabilize the environment. That's why we have an international relations unit within Umkhonto Wesizwe that is starting to engage African countries. The president has just returned from to meet President Traore. It's part of that, and we'll be doing that even in the southern countries. And even in Zimbabwe, we are already talking with the organization in Zimbabwe, both in the ruling party and those kind of organizations that are in opposition, to say, let us find a common goal to get Zimbabweans to get back to their country, to get Mozambicans to back to their country. But it comes through stabilization, and we need to influence that.
Usibusise Mfwakahade bodume ngelika Bhubesi besikhona si Durban Network. Back to the studio. Siyabonga.